Hello, my name is Daisy Costa and answer the following question. Who was the last person you had the good conversation with? The last person I spoke to was my neighbor and great friend, Zaira Gomez. She and I joked about her Dana Bridges, Koya's career and her good grades. Then we joked about my Dana and her bachelor's degree at the end of the years and done a lot of international cuisine and records of each semester of this culinary career. I also told my friend Zaira that my husband did not agree with Dana studying gastronomy and for him it is better that she attend a public university and choose another career, but when it is what is one that decides to study after laughing at Bex with her son tries up for lunch and then we continue the conversation about Dana and Bridget's hobbies, but but who are passionate about conversation beauty they like to do makeup, facial clinic, to and we decided that on Saturday mornings the two of them call study in the academy and were 4 days friends so that they can help each other to be able to pay for the semesters and have for daily appreciation and next that is asked of them of the university. We conclude that it is difficult for them to study two careers at the same time, but the imports think it that they feel good and study something that they are passionate about and that's the effort of us as a model is infinite because we want to seek them stay sad and become great professional.